Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica if you're new here. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you are a past subscriber, thank you guys for all the support and love that you give me. Like I say in every video, I really appreciate it and it means so much to me. Today I did this soft glam smoky eye look. I've been really doing a lot of colorful looks on my channel, and today I wanted to show you guys just a neutral look for the people that don't really use a lot of color. And this look is fire. Like, I have my ponytail in, like, I just feel like this is perfect for a night out. And guess what, guys, I'm going to a concert tonight, so it's perfect for me. I didn't want to go crazy. I wanted to do a more wearable look, even though I think I can wear color as a wearable eye look any day of the week, any outfit I can wear a colorful look. But I'm gonna start mixing it up for you guys. Please comment down below what you guys would prefer, a colorful look or a neutral look, and comment down below any looks that you want me to do so I can do it for you guys. I have a lot of videos planned for you guys, and I'm trying to be more consistent. Anyways, if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, I already started with one eye like I always do, and my eyebrows done. I'm going to start off by priming, so I use the Morphe concealer 1.25, and I'm just going to put that on my lid. I'm grabbing a Beach Cosmetic brush. It doesn't have a number on it, but I'm just patting that in. This concealer dries down matte, and it dries down pretty fast, so you don't need to set it. I'll be using the JaclynHill Palette. I'm going to take my Makeup Shack T36 brush, and I'm going to grab this dark brown right here. My Makeup Shack T83 brush, and we're grabbing this shade right here, and we're going in diagonal a direction from the bottom of my lid to basically where my crease is. With my Luxie 237 brush, I'm going to be going up and taking this transition color and putting that right next to the other color. With this Royal and Lane Nickel flat shader brush, I'm going to be taking this cream shade right here. It has a little shimmer to it, and I'm going to be putting that on my inner lid. We're also going to take that up to the crease as well. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe gel liner in Jet, and then I'm going to take my MAC 263 brush, and I'm going to do my liner. So we're going to do the liner, but we're not going to flick it out and do a wing. we didn't wing out the liner, we're gonna smoke it into our eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the Morphe M506 and I'm gonna grab the black and mix it with this like really dark brown color so the black isn't too extreme. Just gonna go back and forth between the previous browns that we used to make sure that the black and the dark brown is blended in and it isn't too harsh. Using my Morphe M576 brush just to make sure there's no harsh lines and everything is blended in. So I'm going to just rub it in this area in a circular motion. So I want to add a little bit more sparkle, so I'm going to grab my Lunar Beauty by MUA palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here in the middle called Beat, and I'm just gonna put it over the cream shade in my inner corner. Next, I'm going to put on these lashes I got from AliExpress. They're labeled as E-9. I've never used lashes like these with like the spikes in the middle, and I think I'm loving it. Like, they might be my new go-tos. I'm excited. So next I'm going to do my base like I always do off camera, and I'm going to do my contour stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back and I did my base. I set everything, bronzer, and everything I use will be linked down below. I also put waterproof liner on my lower lash line. So what we're gonna do is we're going to smoke out the bottom lash line, put the same shadow that we used up top, the bottom, and also the same brushes. Lied. I only used T36 from the Makeup Shack and Lexi 237 to smoke out my lower lash line. What I'm going to do next is use my Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara on my lower lash line. Alright, I want to use this I want to use this product that I got, I believe, in my Ipsy Glam Plus box. It is called Maelle Sunkissed Bronzer Palette. I used the shades in the middle for bronzing. I want to use this shade for highlighting right here. So I'm going to grab my Dew Care brush that I got from Amazon. That is a dupe for the Anastasia highlighting brush. Dip in here. Well, wait. First, I'm going to set my face with the same clarifying setting spray that I got from TJ Maxx, just so it has, the highlighter has something to stick to. All right, now we're ready to get highlighted. Okay, it's a nice, like, subtle glow at first. Let's build it up. So it builds up pretty nice. It's not, like, beaming or anything, but obviously it can get there. I'm also going to use it for my inner corner highlight. Who is she? Oh my god, I love this look. I'm so ready for this concert. Oh my god, who is she? This makeup is so boss. Okay. For my lip, I'm going to use the same combo I used in my last video, and it's going to be in the description box what I used. If you didn't see my last video, there will be a link up here. Just click on that link to see my last one. This lip is my perfect nude combo. I swear. You can never go wrong with a nude lip. I'm really feeling myself. Really. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm so happy how it came out. I really think this is the easiest smoky eye soft glam look. This is what I'm gonna call it. I feel like I'm ready to take over the world. Like, this makeup makes me feel so just so like sexy, so glam, and it didn't take no effort at all. You can use any neutral smoky eye palette and you guys can get this look. But other than that, thank you guys for watching again. Thank you guys for supporting. Please share my video. We are 20 subscribers from 100, and that's really exciting to me, because I just started this journey a little bit over a month ago, and I'm getting so much love and support from you guys, and I love it. So please make sure you share this video, subscribe to my channel. All my other social media links will be down below, so please follow me there too as well. And like I always say, have a blessed day, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.